Cut me off, and I'm back. We were just learning about how to build a waterfall. And this isn't the best waterfall I've done, but I mean, still it looks kind of neat, kind of arranged in a way. So really, I'm trying to figure out the proper lighting here. It's a learning experience for both of us. You and my viewers, and you, or you, my viewer, and me, most importantly. So we're gonna do light spot. We're just gonna use a ton of light spots. Browse. Grass. Now, as we can see, it lights up. So we got our earth in our waterfall. Now it's time to build the earth around the top. So yeah, this is a two-part tutorial series. This basically covers the basics of waterfalls and how to build them. So we're gonna rotate it. But there, just think of a natural waterfall. We're doing this. Like, think of one you've seen, one you've experienced, whatever. But make sure it looks natural. I mean, this is like not my best work. I gotta say, this is not my best work with a waterfall, but it will do. And I'm replacing to see which ones will show up. There we go. So we got a nice plot of grass. Okay, so when we look, we go from the top, go all the way down to the bottom. Now there's got to be a bottom to this. So all we're going to do really, and this is a cheap man's way out, but what we're really going to do, select it all, copy and paste, and there's a lot of copy and paste work that is involved in Source SDK. So anyway, that's our waterfall, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.